This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Lobster Alfredo, updated. Start by boiling 1 pound of lobster tails and cooking 12 ounces of fettuccine until al dente. Make the sauce by melting 4 tablespoons butter, adding 1 cup heavy cream, and stirring in 1 cup grated Parmesan. Toss pasta with lobster meat, sauce, and a squeeze of lemon. Serve immediately with parsley and freshly cracked pepper for a warm, welcoming plate. Prepare lobster by thawing safely and removing meat from shells, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Boil pasta, reserving 1 cup pasta water to loosen the sauce later if it thickens too much. Gently sauté minced garlic in butter until fragrant but not browned, then add cream and simmer to meld flavors. Fold in Parmesan slowly and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon juice. Hey friends, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. Life is short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasant drive to the market and a laugh while you juggle lobster and pasta. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Combine warm pasta with the sauce off the heat to preserve creaminess and prevent the lobster from overcooking. If sauce is too thick, stir in reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time until silky. Finish with fresh parsley and lemon zest for contrast, and always serve on pre-warmed plates to maintain temperature. These small steps create a restaurant-quality lobster Alfredo that feels both decadent and comforting for guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.